फ्यूचर तो अपने पास है, बाबा लोगों के पास, अपने पास में बाबा नहीं है। फ्यूचर तो सब अपना काम नहीं है। एनीवे, पहले तो घड़ी देख दो यहाँ, कोई भी घड़ी रख दे। अच्छा, दिस इज एक्चुअली आजकल पहले ऐसा नहीं है, इट्स लाइक सीरियल, इट्स नॉट एवरीडे सब्जेक्ट, वी जस्ट कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ पास्ट 7, 14, 21, राइट? तो विल हैव टू रिकैप। कोई अगर बोलना चाहता है तो बोल सकता है, अदरवाइज आई विल कंटिन्यू। समबडी वांट्स टू, कैसे 7 से कैसे शुरू हुआ? जो 7 को देखा किसी ने साइट में देखा है? 7 तारीख का देखा क्या भाई? यूट्यूब में भाई देखा है। आप अगर बोल सकते हो कुछ, क्या देखा है? थोड़ा बहुत जो भी समझा। और कुछ अमॉन्ग द जेंट्स? नहीं, करेक्ट, right? But if we can recap means, okay, let's just एक स्पीड से रिकैप कर देते हैं। लोग आते हैं, आ रहे हैं, ये तो टेंशन है। सृष्टि आजकल यूट्यूब में है ना, तो आई थिंक विल हैव टू स्टॉप हिंदी। Yes, because Hindi is not going to be seen in YouTube, so we'll have to change it, and you have to understand. If any doubt, you can raise your hand, right? So the world, or the origin of world or origin of Srishti means the world, how it came into existence, right? Volcano, then earth, water, the biochemistry of smell. The point you have to remember, the biochemistry of the smell of the earth and the water. दोनों के स्मेल से कीटाणु and all that, पानी के जानवर पैदा हुए. Then they started on surface, then 4 legs, then reptiles, and then 4 legs and 2 legs. आखिर में अभी अपने ह्यूमन बीइंग, उसके बाद में अपना कैसे लेवल चेंज हुआ अकॉर्डिंग टू द फूड. Either started eating and left eating. So the first food we ate was fruits, monkeys, and that is known as frugivores. Yes. And then started Stone Age, meat, flesh. Then we became little civilized. Then we started again eating vegetarian food. Those days we were not taking curd and lime were not used. The fact is that the plate we used to have would not accept curd and lime. So that was the, then slowly we started, the brain started developing as we started leaving the unwanted foods like under roots, onion, garlic. We started not eating them, right? Then the brain developed much better. And for some still it is there. So how we started slowly, there are so many types of people. Still eating, still not eating. Vegans, Vegai, Jains, so many types of people. And the food varies from geography to geography. By virtue of karma, people are born at that particular, in that particular geography. By virtue of past, we can't change the past, but we can surely shape the future. How we can shape the future? By combination of food, by food, and by changing the food. Last week we said the thoughts also have a smell. That was the invention. Like thoughts do have a smell. If you are stingy, there's one smell. If you are jealous, there's one smell. And all that are connected with food, what you eat, the money how you earn. Money how you earn is also a type of food. And how it is being served. That is why we are not supposed to eat in hotels, because when they serve, the feeling of serving is different, and when you eat at home, the person who serves is different. The feeling is different. Even though both are gulab jamun, both are rasgulla, but when you eat rasgulla outside and when you eat rasgulla at home, both have different feelings, because the man serves has a different feeling, and it goes into the body. It makes a difference, hell lot of difference on the stem cells. The cells changes. The thought changes because of the food, and the moment the food goes in your tongue, the difference between the science and difference between our philosophy. The moment food goes on your tongue, it goes straight to the cells. They change the cells according to the thought of the person who is eating. If the person enjoys the same food, it's a different cells will have different feeling. And if person eats just because it is needed by the body, the cells will be different. And physical properties are all for the scientists to find out. Garlic is good for health, science says, right? But we say it is not good, because they have experimented only after, not here, after going into the body. So yesterday I had a phone call from US, and one dean, professor, he came. कोई अंकित लाया, कोई लाया, किसी को लाया. It seems garlic is good for health. Not it seems, it is. Because world over, garlic is for thinning the blood. Yes. Physically and according to the science, it is good for body. Yes, I told. It is good for body. It is not good for the brain. Garlic is not good for the brain. It is good for the body. And the brains run the body. Now how do you decide? See, brain runs the body. Now what do you decide? Just dean of some college, not a small. See, this is what is our science. The moment it goes on your tongue, the total character is built up, and it comes on tongue as a scanner. The tongue is the scan of the body. Tongue, brain, lungs. See how it develops. Are simultaneously connected. The moment you think, the thoughts, the brain chemistry, and simultaneously chemicals also are released on the liver. It's ready to accept, digest or not to digest, whatever it is. All because of thoughts. जैसे ही जीपान पर जाता है, अपने बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत टेस्टी है, all that, then your character is little different. And ठीक है यार, खाना है, okay, खा लिया, then you become like saint. See, this is the difference. Food is same. For medical science or allopathy, the research is going to be the same result. It cannot change. But it does change, which is not visible to them, because they have no meter to see or measure the energy level of thoughts. Energy level of thoughts, measurement, there is no such thing. Slowly, of course, nowadays, maybe at a very higher level, not at a lower level. This is how we have started developing our level of thoughts with respect to food. As you stop rubbish item, the contentment level of the individual improves. The contentment is directly connected with the food, and if that contentment comes, you are also contentment in business also. If you are contented in life, your surely contentment will come to business also. And the contentment comes, you are not going to do the mistake in business, you will not do fraud in business, you will not cheat in business, you will give the service he deserves. You will be doing a disciplined business. Why? The contentment. And the contentment comes, there is going to be harmony, everything in business. Whenever man is born, again I have to repeat, the materialistic value is fixed. The father, mother is fixed. The death and the place is fixed. So, automatically, because we have realized this, the contentment comes. Because we have realized this, and because of the combination of food, because the food is served by, again, a lady or the person who is zero therapy, the type of food, where we don't allow all these underroots, we don't allow curd, we don't allow garlic, we don't allow the sprouts, we don't allow to the great extent of chilies and so many things. Some items we do allow in US and all that because they are good. Here we say no to certain items like sugarcane, like watermelon, but items which are grown organically and not hybrid type, genetically modified. Those items we don't allow, but in US you have organic and not genetically modified. Whatever we say no here become acceptable that country, provided they follow this. That is why we don't eat here. Watermelon is not allowed, is not the case, because it is not good. The corn, it is not good because hybrid. If the corn is from the seed, no, why it is not good? See, why it is? India all hybrid. Yesterday I was talking to the US man, he said here we have not GM, organic, separate. They have that and we don't have here. And we are eating those rubbish which are imported, maybe from those countries which they don't allow there, they may be importing and we are eating. And the government also makes a rule that it improves the production. And so, but why this genetically modified is not good? The seeds are the most important factor in the life. When a seed can give life to fruit or a tree, why it is not good for our body? Genetically modified seed cannot give a birth to a tree or a fruit. We have to eat the fruit which are out of which the seed can produce another fruit. And that is really good for our health, because when it can produce fruit, it is giving you vitality in the body. And vitality is the most important factor for life. Without vitality, nothing can be done. Probably vitamin word also must have come from that only. Maybe. vital substance. Amin means substance. Vitamin is important. Vitamin means, and the man who produced this, his name also was probably Amin only. Vita means substance, essential substance for body. So essential substance for body, as far as we are concerned, the seeds are most important part of a body. In sense for eating. Eating. Now seeds are, in lemon also you have seed. Satgudi also you have seed. Papita also. Tomato you have. Then Jamfal, guava you have. Which are the seeds acceptable to the body? Both are, can give birth to the fruit, may give, may not give. The seeds which are having gel around the body, around the seed, the seeds which are having small gel, like tomato, like guava, jamful, but not like papita, even though it has, but not. Most of the seeds which have like anjeer, those seeds are must for body, depending on the condition of the atmosphere or a climate, hot or cold. Garmi mein, hot mein, dry anjeer not allowed. But these two fruits are generally allowed all the season. Because Marwadi needs roughage. And these seeds are roughage. It creates roughage for toilet, it is a must. For stool, acha aane ke liye, this is a must. In some form or other, seeds are most important factor required to be eaten along with food almost every day. And if you are dry toilet, you need lubrication. How we have improved brain. See, this all, how does it come? Slowly we started, Jurotherapy people are able to think better than other people. Almond oil with milk, you may try. It may work wonders. I am telling you, may all the time. Yes. May means may not also, as per the dictionary. You have to individually, you have to try. After that, you start watching your brain or others' brain, how if you have a friend, start watching his behavior, start watching your behavior, try to find out what are the things we have committed or our friend has committed, then try to improve, like Pratikraman. Then you will know what are the mistakes. So past you have committed, now you have to improve upon the past by finding out your mistakes personally, correcting the mistake. A mistake committed once is a mistake. A mistake committed 3 times is a blunder. God will not leave you. Whenever we say God, means nature. For us, there is no such thing as God. Nature will not leave. God is there, but He is not going to come and punish you. So, the future lies in your hands. You have, depending on the thoughts and the food, both you have to all the time think and think. By eating this, what happened? By eating this, kya hua? By eating this, the color of the toilet. And mind you, all the time, various colors available in the nature, you have to eat. Available in the nature. Because your thoughts also are connected with colors. If you don't have the color, you just imagine the color and your thoughts may change. That's why you look at the God, and think the God is red, okay, the red color goes in your body. If you think that particular thing, the color as small goes in your body. And it makes a difference. If the shortage, every color has got its inherent property. So we need all the colors available in the rainbow. Rainbow has got 7 colors. Right? That is why 7 figure is known as spiritual figure in the numerology or in the universe. इसीलिए 7 दिन means 7 दिन, 7 color, everything almost you have multiplication of 7. That's one universal, one law. 7. How exactly nature provides you 7 colors? But those 2 colors at the end and 2 colors at the bottom, almost near 1 color, so you may have only 5 colors. Ultimately, generally you have basic colors only 5. And always see that fruit, vegetables or those colors are in a way coming in the food. Normally masala mein aa jate sab. Fry, vai, jeera, vira, dhania, bania, all that. Those colors are covered. Tomato, red chilies, probably green chilies came later when the green color was not available. Maybe that. But our body, Jirotherapy body doesn't need green chilies. No need for our body. Because we don't eat meat, we don't eat eggs, we don't eat butter. One person tested for cholesterol, I don't know, heavy. Nothing can go wrong with you here. Yesterday I ate butter. I don't know how far is right or wrong. I ate butter and after that I tested maybe that. I don't know how far right or wrong, but it happened in the fact. So eating makes so much of difference on the body, and once you see a result cholesterol, then brain started working. Oh, I'll have heart attack. The cholesterol means next thinking what? Heart. Then heart doesn't function properly. Doesn't function properly. Why? Again our theory, mind slows, the brain is connected with the mind. Brain is an organ. Mind is not an organ. See how it works. Mind is no organ, but it does work. It gives some sort of signal to the brain, and brain doesn't allow the blood to go that fast or whatever it is. It has effect on the circulation of the blood. The mind, brain has a circulation effect, and in turn it affects the heart. That is what for allopathy or any general science. For us, it is the thoughts. Because food is pure, nothing can go wrong with blood. Our blood, nothing can go wrong. 14, 15, 16 hemoglobin, man, Jirotherapy, 14, 15, 16, which medical science probably would not have seen. Then what can happen? Only thoughts. Previously we used to have IQ. Now we call, I don't know whether they accept it in English, EQ, emotional quotient. Intelligent quotient nahi. What is that emotional quotient is? Your mind and the brain balance. कैसा होता है. So mind is very important. Organs are not important at all, and the food for the mind is almost what we have prescribed. Food for the mind is what you should do is what you should not do. What we should not do is we should not eat all this what is prescribed. Again we have to repeat. Under roots, certain under roots like potato and carrots, as per our theory, allowed. Because here we don't talk any religion. We talk whatever we feel as a science. And all the religion in the world are based on science. And if science doesn't believe in religion, then it may not be a science. Because all the religions are based on science only. And the science doesn't believe religion, then that may not be a science as per our standard. Because without science, no religion can survive. The fundamental basis of any dharma everything is religion is based on science and geography. Only over a period we started, getting corrupted. They also started, Western country, Atma means energy. How they started? For them also energy, Atma means energy. And for us, the energy is the food. Again, food, everything is food here. Everything is the food. Positive energy and negative energy. If we eat under root, the negative energy is into the body. And that is why harmful. See, why Jamigandha are harmful? Because they create negative energy minus, this is one energy, this is 0, supposing this is 0, right? This side energy minus, this side energy plus. Even electricity you have, voltmeter minus plus, even electricity also you have minus and plus. In DC, not in AC. So, all these under roots creates a vibration in the body on the minus side, on the lesser side. And Atma cannot tolerate that energy. Atma needs only a higher level of energy. Higher level of energy means food which are eaten by cow, because cow is the most highest form of, you can say, religious form of food, cow. That's why it is worshipped. Why cow is worshipped? Because the food eaten by cow is sattvic. One of my friend gave chocolate to one cow of village. It did not eat. It doesn't eat. It doesn't eat garlic. It doesn't eat onion. That's why the milk produced by Indian Desi cow is good. But the milk produced by Western, nowadays we don't find any Indian cow. In India also. All are crossbreed and all are Jersey type. Indian cow will have like this. And all Western cow will have like this. Now, I don't find even the advertisement, pure cow advertisement, you see, the cow is like this only. The cow, original cow photo itself vanished here. Leave alone cow, photo itself vanished. So what we can take? This is why probably our old people, religious people thought it's going to be like this. That's why Vegay mein doodh was not allowed. Even milk is not allowed in Vegay. But that doesn't mean we don't have to take milk. I am not against milk. Jainism says, but I think that level is very difficult for us to follow. It's not easy to follow with the food we get in the world. We don't get energetic food, hence we do take milk. Not that milk is banned in gerotherapy, but milk not supposed to be taken for the simple reason that it is a cow's milk. But today, even if you do not take milk from the cow, even if you don't take, the calf is not going to get milk. समझ गए ना? अगर तुमने दूध नहीं लिया है तो भी काफ को दूध मिलने वाला नहीं है. वो सोच करके मैंने वापस दूध शुरू किया. All along I was not taking milk for so many years. 2028 December 2000 I left. Then I thought, if अपने छोड़े नहीं छोड़े बछड़े को तो मिलने वाला नहीं है. And it's not any हिंसा you are doing. So उसमें पीने लगा अपना वापिस. So I am not against, समझ गया ना? तेरा डाउट था वो. इसके लिए मिल्क और शरीर और आत्मा, this man was telling. Rather you go for a mind, because शरीर is a physical form. That you don't worry at all. It will vanish. समझे ना? लेकिन the mind, that is what gives you the energy, आत्मा को, mind. More than the food, it is the mind. आत्मा is getting directly connected to the mind. वही एनर्जी है. माइंड में एनर्जी है कि इसको मारना है, इसको नहीं मारना है, इसको ये करना है. I have to do good thing. I have to do this, that. If you have good thinking, Atma is elevated. Bad thinking, Atma goes down. That's it. इतना कोई बड़ा ये लफड़ा नहीं है. आत्मा, बॉडी, ये सब all are almost. Only thing is, the mind gives you the energy of to the Atma, and when you die, that energy goes next birth. That energy goes. Atma is nothing but a capsule of energy. That energy goes to the next birth. समझ लिया ना? So for future, our duty is to make the Atma upliftment by mind only. And mind cannot work without any food, without thoughts. Mind is your thoughts. Thoughts again related. So we'll have to correct our day-to-day behavior. आचार विचार बोलते हैं लोग ना, आहार gives you आचार and विचार. But for us, आहार gives you straight away विचार. आचार again gone wrong. विचार only gives you the आचार, no? So why आहार gives you the विचार, पुराना सब गया. Food gives you the thought, and that builds the character. अपना जो खाना है इतना अच्छा है कि our level of thinking has gone like इतना अच्छा हो गया. जीरोथेरेपी वालों का level just cannot imagine. It's gone एकदम हाई. So how civilization अपना कैसे change हुआ? We are ahead of other normal people because अपना thought एकदम elevated हो गया. अपने को ज़्यादा ना, don't have to. Of course, there's कोई limit नहीं है अच्छा होने की. You can still go on and on and on. There's no देखिए contentment. Here you don't be contentment. You don't have contentment here. बस हो गया अपना, ऐसा नहीं है. There's no limit for contentment, for going up and up. For your आत्मा के लिए कोई contentment नहीं है. जाते रहो. जब काम करना उसने करेगा, अपना काम नहीं करने का. So कैसे कैसे change हुआ? Slowly, you know, how we started changing our life. And last week we said nose is the most important part of the body. Nobody said nose. Nose is important. Why? Because smell is important. Because smell can create life. Smell can destroy life. एक राजा था, उसको मारने का सोचे, बोले कैसे मरेगा? राजा बोला कुछ भी नहीं है, मेरे सामने एक गंदा लेट्रिन या उसे पास करा तो मैं मर जाऊंगा. I cannot tolerate smell, so it can also kill, and it happened. See, I cannot tolerate because I am born like this. So smell can, all these Dettol, Vetol सब लगाते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है? Bacteria do die. So smell can, kill also. And once you take anesthesia, then what happens? You are off. You don't die, but you are off. But more and more anesthesia, you are gone to the next world. So smell can surely give a birth to the machhar, mosquitoes. It can kill mosquitoes. It can produce. The whole world was because hot and cold, earth and water. Water has one smell, earth has one smell, and the whole universe, अपने जो भी आए, started only from the smell. That is why you don't find specialist in the world for nose transplant कहीं भी नहीं है. हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट है, किडनी है, सब कुछ है, नोज का कहीं भी नहीं है. क्यों? कि इट इज नॉट इजी फॉर साइंटिस्ट टू फाइंड आउट हाउ टू रिप्लेस. दे डू ओनली छोटा मोटा हार्ट चिल्लर पॉइंट है. हाँ, इसका कभी भी अभी तक पैदा नहीं हुआ ना. सी कितना बड़ा सोचने का पॉइंट है. सच ए बिग पॉइंट. Because nose is the most important part of our body because it is connected, your life is connected with the smell. And it's so complicated, they cannot, मेडिकल साइंस हो नहीं सकता है नोज को ठीक करने का. एज इट इज फंक्शन लगा देगा, काम करेगा, समझो ऑक्सीजन लेगा, कर भी देगा, लेकिन ओरिजिनलिटी आ ही नहीं सकती है. ओरिजिनलिटी आनी है तो इसी नोज को यू हैव टू मेक गुड the part available with you. Practice slowly, breathing, smell, flower, original, natural smell. तब अपना nose powerful बनेगा. Every time take one flower, yes, they smell. Another flower, rose, think, smell. It goes, changes the brain chemicals, and whole body is changed. Once the brain chemicals are changed, whole body is changed. So such a powerful medicine is flowers. But for that nose must be very powerful. नहीं तो कोई चला जाएगा बाजू में, आपने को मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता है. Difficult. But that happens only when you start various types of flower practice. Malibu में कितने मल्ली है? Malibu, you got lot of Malibus, no? Malibu means jasmine, right? For English people, jasmine is jasmine. यहाँ यह जादी मल्ली, यह नित्य मल्ली, यह गुंडू मल्ली. How many मल्लीज रे बाप रे बाप? There is no end. एंड सबका स्मेल अलग अलग है, सबका कैरेक्टर, द फिजिकल लुक is entirely different for all this. Jasmine means we may have about half a dozen varieties in India, and each smells different, and each is connected with the atmosphere temperature. ये टेम्परेचर है, ये फ्लोर आएगा, वो गर्मी में ये फ्लोर आएगा, ये गर्मी में वो आएगा, सर्दी में वो आएगा. ऑल दैट द सेंसेशन ऑफ द फ्लावर्स इज सो मच. I had a flower which changes 3 colors in a day depending on the sunlight. Morning sunlight, afternoon sunlight, evening sunlight, changing rose. 3 colors per day. Not magic, the intensity of sunlight. So that flower is able to understand and change the color according to the heat. देखा? Watch nature, smell, we can improve our Observation is most important part of a life. Everybody has seen apple falling. Only one scientist find out why it's falling. See, because he observed falling, everybody knows. He only found out why it's falling. Then, so every time there is a chance of improvement. Everywhere there is chance of improvement. You have to think, observe, give work to the brain. All the time, give work to the brain. Creativity. The moment you give work to the brain, it will come out with some new thing. As I am talking, my brain start giving one doubt. Cameraman एड़तियापा एड़ता चा राइट क्यों मेरे को वही मेरा डाइवर्शन हो गया कि इन लोगों के ऊपर कैमरा डाला नहीं है बात कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को लगा इसका कैमरा ऐसे ही खड़ा पड़ा है डाला नहीं है तो कभी कभी क्या लगता है समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस दैट यूट्यूब पीपल आर वेरी वो सोचेंगे ये कल आदमी बोल कर रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है सी वी हैव टू थिंक इसलिए कैमरा डालना पड़ रहा है मेरे को इनका मेरा नहीं आया तो चलेगा सी वर्ल्ड में बहुत सब देखना पड़ता है वी हैव टू चेंज फ्रॉम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश एंड कैमरा ये सब वर्ल्ड तो है तो उनके लिए नहीं तो अरे यार तो कुछ भी नहीं अकेले भौंक रहा है नहीं इसीलिए इसको बोला भैया पहले वहाँ था ना इतने दिन अब यहाँ डाला ना इसको क्यों डाला वही तो था इतने दिन नहीं भैया ये आलसी है पीछे नहीं डालेगा क्योंकि वहाँ से इधर नहीं आ सकता इधर से उधर जा सकता तो ये सब प्लान किया मैंने कल रात को बैठ करके क्यों प्लान किया कि कल मैंने अपना साइट में देखा 21 तारीख का मैं बोला लेडीज दिख नहीं रहे क्या कर रहा है इसको सी ब्रेन कीप्स ऑन वर्किंग कहाँ का गलती हुआ क्यों हुआ देन वी फाउंड आउट दिस इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट इज नॉट गुड पीछे आवाज नहीं आती है पीछे आवाज नहीं आती इसलिए आ गया है हर जगह एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ improvement everywhere whether you are dressing whether you are talking whether you are sitting whether you are eating every time there is a chance of improvement all the time there is no limit see when you for example we had a good discussion Western hotel they where's the water glass in the hotel on the right now even now all the hotels they have right have you gone to big hotels or not yaar is water tumbler is on the right even for Taj or even for first of all you are not even watched तुमने किसी ने देखा भी नहीं कि किधर है सबसे बड़ी बात जिन्होंने देखा it is on the right work to the brain so why should it be on right for India why should it be right we had a big discussion we are eating with this how can you have touched the glass with this huh? It should be on the left for India nobody ever thought we had a very big discussion at very high level, MBA at high level. He said yes. For India, it should be on the left. But the point is, I got that doubt. And even chapati is on the left and vegetable is on the right. Now, my hand should go like this and come like this and come like this. Kitna wrong hai na? If chapati is here, I don't have to move in my hand. Goes. How much time is saved? Nobody is thought. Nobody has thought here, India it should be different, Western it is to be different, because they have the spoon and fork and their hand is not spoiled, they can, because they have the bread in the left hand, soup or tea in the right, they can take. Whole world is still following this, whether it's Prime Minister's office, whether anywhere, this point, koi give work to the brain, why should it be like this? And most beauty malum hai, yesterday I had a Vastu big book, Vastu Shastra, Vastu something, Vastu. Right. First photo was observation. Ganesh, naturally, first should be Ganesh. Then, गणेश का ट्रंक है ना, लेफ्ट में जाना कि राइट में जाना, बोलो. गणेश का ट्रंक यहाँ से लेफ्ट में जाना, मोस्ट ऑफ. देन मैं देखा अपने घर में जितने भी हैं सब स्टैच्यूज, वन सैंडलवुड, अनदर 3-4 सबको देखा, ऑल आर राइट टू लेफ्ट. वस्तुशास्त्र जो बुक है ना, उसके अंदर लेफ्ट टू राइट था. अब कौन सा राइट है यार, वो रॉन्ग है कि क्या राइट है, बनाने वाला रॉन्ग है कि वो रॉन्ग है. सी हाउ डू यू नो दैट? प्रॉब्ली इज टेकन फोटो एंड रिवर्स इट, उल्टा हो गया. बिकॉज ऑल बुद्धा जनरली आर ऑन द राइट, Buddha sleeping, and it is prescribed as left. Maybe God sleeps on the right, but generally we have to sleep on the left only. इतने सब सोच, point is you have to create work to the brain all the time. Everywhere there is a chance of thinking यार, everywhere. ऐसा क्यों है, यहाँ क्यों होना चाहिए, ये क्या, just give work. क्यों, क्या, क्यों होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए नहीं कभी सोचो. यू जस्ट थिंक व्हाई डिड इट हैपन, व्हाई शुड इट हैपन, व्हाट हैपन, यू डोंट वरी एट ऑल. बट व्हाट हैपन यू आर सीइंग, यू गिव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड इट हैपन, नो, व्हाई कुड नॉट हैव हैपन दिस वे, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, व्हाट इज राइट थिंग. ऑल द आंसर आर अवेलेबल इन द आकाश. There is no doubt. For all your doubt, the answer is there. You have to just connect बस साइट को कनेक्ट करना, अपना वेबसाइट को वहां से कनेक्ट करना हो, इंटरनेट को कनेक्ट करना है इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड यू गेट द आंसर. बट वी डोंट वांट टू डू स्ट्रेट अवे. यू कम हियर, पैर दुख रहा है, ये दुख रहा, वो दुख रहा. यू डोंट वांट टू कनेक्ट योर सेल्फ to the Akash. The answer is there. How Rishi Muni are able to, unko paas kya, Rishi Muni, how they are able to understand or give answer? Because they have got good connectivity, and good connectivity means your Atma is excellent. Only your Atma is excellent can get connectivity, otherwise you will be short circuited, you will not be able to reach that spot. This is how it is. If your Atma is good, you have intuition, you have connectivity. So that you can forecast, okay, कल ऐसा होने वाला है, कल. That comes because Atma is excellent. आत्मा अच्छी है तो ये सब आगे आगे आपको सोचने का पावर है, आंसर है, यूनिवर्स से है, all that. This is how we have to improve ourselves slowly since we have become human being. Now we have to, क्या लेवल तक अपने जा सकते हैं इस आवर, इट इज विद इन यू. अपना नया फॉर्मूला क्या है, हार्मोनी विद इन. वी आर नॉट चेंज. हार्मोनी विद इन मीन्स इफ यू आर हैप्पी विथ योर सेल्फ, मीन्स व्हाट, नॉट योर बॉडी, नॉट योर ड्रेस, नॉट योर लुक. इफ यू आर हैप्पी विथ योर सेल्फ मीन्स यू आर हैप्पी विथ योर आत्मा, देन योर हार्मोनी विद इन. कितना सुपर बना दिया, हार्मोनी विद इन. एक जना को विजिटिंग कार्ड दिया, एजुकेटेड था, मारुति तो देखेगा डालेगा. यू नो व्हाट ही सेड, इट विल टेक 6 months to understand the meaning of harmony within. He said 6 months to understand harmony within. इतना सुपर बना दिया कि 6 months. अपने यहाँ तो कोई देखता भी नहीं पड़ता, कार्ड बहुत अच्छा है सा, प्रिंटिंग अच्छी है सा, 4 कलर है सा, हो गया काम. नोबडी harmony within कितना बड़ा आया वो, कहाँ से आया? That man, educated man, he said 6 months to understand the meaning of this. कितना बड़ा रहेगा? Harmony within means you have to know your Atma, and that is not easy at all. Simple. If you know Atma, you will go to moksha. Try to know at least. We can try to know what we are. What we are means not our body, what our energy level is. Whenever we say Atma means energy level. Got it? Now we go to doubts, right? क्योंकि 5-1 मिनट डाउट का नहीं दिया तो फिर लोग आएंगे भी नहीं ना, है कि नहीं? ऐसे आंसर सब लिखा है, लेकिन वी कैन बी ए कैटलिस्ट. क्या डाउट था तेरे को? तेरा डाउट तो ऑलमोस्ट क्लियर हो गया मेरे ख्याल से. तो भावना एंड माइंड, या सिट डाउन, करेक्ट, ब्यूटीफुल. भावना एंड माइंड. What is bhavana? What do you think? Bhavana means what you think. You tell me. Bhavana means what do you think? कि मेरे को तपस्या करना है, मेरे को कुछ no. How do you think? मतलब you tell me what you think about bhavana. Then I can. भावना means क्या समझते हो? अपने को क्या करना है, या किस टाइप से तुम समझते हो? What you think? अपना मीन्स क्या था? Just tell me, no. Let's just example, no. अपना बात है भाई, आज उपवास करने के भाव है. See, विचार एंड भावना का डिफरेंस बता सकता हूँ. विचार में तुम सोच सकते हो, भावना अपने बुक में 25 बार लिखा है. भावना मीन्स अ थॉट विच कैन गेट द थिंग्स डन एंड एक्शन. दैट इज एकदम रियल भावना मीन्स वही है. भावना मीन्स गेट द थिंग्स डन, कि यहाँ पर सेशन होना चाहिए. 10 साल से सेशन हो रहा है और कभी एक दिन भी डिले नहीं हुआ, 1 सेकंड ब्रेक नहीं हुआ, 1 दिन ब्रेक नहीं हुआ. सो इज ए स्ट्रांग भावना, एंड देयर इज नो इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ दैट इन इंग्लिश. ये है क्या? रहा मिलाप नहीं है क्या? मिलाप नहीं है क्या? डाउट वाला.
अंकल, जैसे आपने बताया कि मंकीज आए, मंकीज ने फल खाए, उसके बाद ब्रेन थोड़ा डेवलप हुआ. अगेन दे स्टार्टेड ईटिंग मीट. आफ्टर ईटिंग मीट देन फिर तो खाने के हिसाब से तो ग्रोथ नहीं होना चाहिए. हाउ दे सिविलाइज कैसे हुआ?
रियली बिग पॉइंट. इट केम एट 9 o'clock. खाने से, लेकिन स्टोन एज में पीपल वर ईटिंग ये मीट, राइट. नेचर ने क्या किया? ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग trees and flowers and fruits. When they were in abundance and when the animals were in shortage, after one stage you may not find animals. Nature gave you the fruits and flowers and trees in form. Then by default nature has made you civilized. You started eating. If this thing continued, no. Nature knows, yes, this is the end. Now it started. It's a very superb doubt, no? Superb, yes. Such doubts are very useful for the world. पीछे तक आवाज आ रही है ना भाई? आज तो आवाज आ रही है, because I moved closer to you. I won't take your money, closer, pickpocket नहीं करना. See, you keep on. किसी ने बोला है पीछे तक आवाज नहीं आ रही है, so we plant.
जय प्रकृति. आपने बोला कि भाई गाय का दूध बछड़े को नहीं मिलेगा, ये सोच के आपने दूध पीना शुरू किया. वो कैसे होएगा? ये पॉइंट मेरे को समझ में नहीं आई कि गाय का दूध तो बछड़ा ले ही लेता है वैसे भी.
आजकल गाय का बछड़े को दूध मिलता क्या रहा भैया? देखा क्या कहीं? देखा क्या? कहाँ भी देखा क्या रहा भाई? कोई भी बछड़े को आजकल ओनर दूध नहीं पिलाता है और उसको दूर रखता है। कोई से गौशाला जिनको दूध प्रोड्यूस करना है वो भी फुल दूध नहीं देते हैं। क्यों? कि वो दूध बेचते हैं। एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड, जो भी गौशाला अगर दूध बेचती है, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट। दूध इज नॉट आइटम टू बी सोल्ड एज पर माई रिलीजन। वंस यू सेल, तो तुमने गाय का बछड़े को दूध फुल देना ही नहीं है। फुल देगा तो उतना ही प्रोड्यूस करती है गाय। गाय प्रोड्यूस ही उतना करती है जितना बछड़ों को चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा आएगा ही नहीं। बिकॉज इट नोज वही है, गाय शुड प्रोड्यूस मोर। मदर मिल्क स्टॉप हो जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली, बच्चे को नहीं चाहिए, रुकता है तो गाय का भी होना चाहिए ना, सेम ना। देन तो मैंने जो बोला एकदम परफेक्टली इट इज फिटिंग लॉजिकली एंड साइंटिफिकली दोनों। नहीं तो मैं नहीं शुरू करता। मैं तब कितना सोचता हूँ। मैंने अगर शुरू किया तो बहुत कुछ सोचना पड़ता है। वंस बटन बंद किया है तो सोचकर इतना सोचना पड़ता है, बिकॉज पब्लिक कभी भी पत्थर फेंकने के रेडी रहेंगे। इसके लिए पहले मेरे को सोचना पड़ता है, पैंट पहना, शर्ट पहना, कौन सा है, क्या कॉलर, एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज मिस्टेक बताने वाले बहुत होते हैं ना यहाँ। अंकित, एनी डाउट अंकित? कितने 5 कलर ही होते हैं ना। तो मैंने क्या बोला, 5 कलर ही तो बोला ना। 7 कलर से 5 कलर बन गए, वही हुआ ना। 5 कलर्स साइंस में क्या, तुम जो भी बोला ना, तुम नमो अनंताण बोलो, कलर देखो तुम्हारी बॉडी में कलर जाएगा, कलर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, वही साइंस है। बोला सी नमो अनंताण जैसे बोले काला, और ये कलर देखो आंख में और वो बॉडी में कलर जाएगा, बिकॉज बॉडी के ऑर्गन को 5 कलर जरूरी है। बट वो साधु महाराज को अब तक नहीं मालूम है, अब से मालूम पड़ जाएगा, कल से बोलने लगेंगे। प्रतिक्रमण कब पैदा हुआ मालूम है? जब भी आदमी का पाप बढ़ाना तब पैदा हुआ। पहले प्रतिक्रमण जरूर था ही नहीं। जैन धर्म में प्रतिक्रमण कोई जरूर नहीं है। जैन धर्म में भावना जरूरी है। मैंने गलती किया यार, नहीं करूंगा, हो गया प्रतिक्रमण। प्रतिक्रमण में कहीं नहीं बोला कि दान करो, पुण्य करो, कोई कहीं नहीं लिखा। तुमको याद दिलाता है कि क्या गलती की तुमने, एंड यू डोंट कमिट दैट मिस्टेक सेकंड टाइम। वंस यू कमिटेड, वो भुगतना ही पड़ेगा और तुम उससे बचने वाले नहीं हो। कितना भी तपस्या करो, कितना भी कुछ करो, पाप कभी कटने वाले नहीं है। कि 30 उपवास कर लिया या ये कर लिया, नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन। जो तुमने बीज बो दिया है, झाड़ उगेगा ही। पाप के बीज है तो पाप सफर करना ही पड़ेगा। दैट पॉइंट कभी भी समझ लो। तपस्या से कोई नहीं कट सकता। नहीं तो भगवान महावीर पैदा होते ही तपस्या कर लेते और इतना लंबा चलते नहीं, सीधा मोक्ष में चल जाते। तो भी उनको भी सफर करना पड़ा, खाना नहीं मिला, कान में ठोके, सब ये इतना रॉन्ग सिखा दिया ना आपने। यू हैव टू सफर, यू हैव टू सफर। कुछ नहीं हो सकता। तपस्या से कोई कटना वटना इतना, ये तुमको भुगतना है, इसलिए तपस्या कर रहे हो। और अगर भावना है तुमको कि मैं तपस्या करके पहुंच जाऊं मोक्ष, ये इसको बोलते हैं भावना, कि मैं मोक्ष पहुंच जाऊं तपस्या करके, तो इतना स्वार्थ है ना कि ऊपर लिख गया कि ये स्वार्थी आदमी है, उसको वहां पर दरवाजा बंद कर देगा मोक्ष का। वो समझे ना? कुछ बोल रहे थे आप यार?
नहीं, आपने पहले बोला था कि गुरु दक्षिणा के बारे में। एक्चुअली मैं लास्ट वीक नहीं आया था, सॉरी, मेरी गलती है।
गलती किसकी होती है?
कि भाई रावण ने शिव के पूजा करके गुरु दक्षिणा में लंका ही ले ली, और द्रोणाचार्य से उसके शिष्य ने एकलव्य ने अंगूठा ले लिया। तो गुरु दक्षिणा मांगी जाती है, लेकिन आपने बताया था कि भाई गुरु दक्षिणा सिंपल होती है, जो सिंपल खाना होता है जीने के लिए। तो दोनों में बहुत फर्क है एक्चुअली। उसके ऊपर जरा सा बताइए।
करेक्ट। अब एक्चुअली क्या है, ये कहानियां लिखने के वाले बहुत होते हैं और कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं। ना तो आप उस दिन पैदा थे और ना उस दिन मैं पैदा था। गुरु दक्षिणा मीन्स जो गुरु तुमको सिखाता है, उसको तुमने रिटर्न करना है एज अ फीस, राइट, एज अ फीस। एंड अंगूठा ये श्रीलंका कैनॉट बी टर्म्ड एज अ फीस, इट इज अ गिफ्ट जो आज के ज़माने में ब्राइब बोलो या पनिशमेंट बोलो, समझे ना। तो दक्षिणा तो वही होती है जितनी तुम्हारी रिक्वायरमेंट है गुरु की, खाना, कपड़ा, रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान, दैट्स इट। उसके ऊपर है वो सब ब्राइब है या कुछ गिफ्ट है या कुछ है, तो वो एक। और उस समय में क्या हुआ कुछ नहीं मालूम। अभी आपके हिसाब से रावण बदमाश था, राइट? रावण तो जो भी होगा कर्म थे, कुछ भी राक्षस में आता है ना, है? और अभी वो कहाँ है? जैन के हिसाब से, बोलने का जैन के हिसाब से वो तीर्थंकर बनने वाले हैं, और हिंदू के हिसाब से रावण का नाम कोई नहीं रखता, इतना डेंजर है। तो ये सब सोचना सब अपने लेवल का ही नहीं है। कोई कुछ सोचता है, कोई कुछ सोचता है, इसलिए अपने भूल ही जाओ। ये सब पुराना रामायण जिसने लिखा है, हर आदमी ने अपने ढंग से लिखा है, अपने जो भी है उसने अंगूठा काटा नहीं काटा, ये सब बकवास, कुछ नहीं मालूम अपना। लंका जरूर थी, ये जरूर है कि लंका लैंड वहाँ था, यस, दैट इज नोबडी कैन, क्यों कि इट वाज कनेक्टेड विथ इंडिया। इसके लिए वो जंप वम कुछ भी नहीं किए, दैट वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया। लंका वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, कनेक्टेड। खाली चुप के थोड़ा नाला था, ऐसे बना दिया, ब्रिज पुल बनाया, वो बनाया, सब ऐसे नाला, यू कैन जस्ट, तो ऐसे बना दिया। इमेजिनेशन, जिसको जो लगता है भाई। उस समय भी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री थी, अभी भी डेमोक्रेटिक है, जिसको मन में आया लिखो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है ना।